The Navy and Maritime Commission implemented a comprehensive program of improvements based on what they learned. They changed the steel specification to use a tougher grade of steel with better low-temperature properties. They modified the hull design to eliminate sharp corners wherever possible. Every corner was given a radius curve instead of a sharp angle because engineers now understood that sharp corners were stress concentrators. They improved welding training and quality control. They added more inspections during construction. Every Liberty ship was examined for potential crack initiation points, but the stop drill hole remained the emergency go-to solution throughout the war. Ships at sea that developed cracks could often make it to port if the crew could drill holes to arrest the crack propagation. Repair ships in forward areas carried drilling equipment specifically for this purpose. It became standard practice in the Navy, and the technique is still used in modern aircraft and ship repair today. Here's what makes this story remarkable from a survival perspective. The Liberty ship program built 2,710 ships during the war. These ships carried 75% of all cargo shipped overseas by the U.S. military. Without Liberty ships, the invasion of Europe might not have been possible. Without the crack arrestor solution, hundreds of those ships would have been lost not to enemy action but to structural failure. Thousands of merchant mariners survived voyages in ships that would have broken apart without that simple drilled hole stopping catastrophic cracks. The welder who proposed the solution understood something fundamental that the engineers had overlooked in their complex analyses. Sometimes the simplest solution is the right one. You don't always need exotic materials or elaborate redesigns. You need to understand the physics of the problem and apply the most direct fix. A crack needs a sharp tip to propagate. Remove the sharp tip, remove the crack propagation.